was 1978, long before smart energy became a global conversation. In a small Brisbane workshop in Queensland, Australia, a team of engineers founded EDMQ, Electronic Design Manufacturing Queensland. Their sole focus was to design smarter, more dependable ways to measure and manage energy. In 1981, EDMQ became EDMI, Electronic Design Manufacturing International, with a belief that what started locally could make a difference globally. By 1982, EDMI's technology was on display for millions, powering the scoreboards for the Brisbane Commonwealth Games.
So the founders of EDMI were determined to set themselves apart by being smart from the start. And that's about not just being a device supplier, but to be a solution provider, focusing on understanding customers' problems and delivering innovative solutions. Our commitment to quality, a hands-on approach, and early adoption of smart technology are what truly made us different. The spirit that's carried EDMI through the decades comes from relentless innovation, perseverance, and teamwork. From the beginning, our founders faced every challenge with creativity and determination. That same mindset lives on today in our One EDMI core values, guiding how we work, collaborate, and deliver meaningful solutions for our customers.
As the 1990s began, Australia's deregulation created demand for accurate, reliable measurement at grid interconnect points. EDMI stepped up, partnering with utilities to develop the Mark I and Mark II meters. Intelligent tools that enable real-time grid monitoring, EDMI leaned into a solutions-based approach, building strong customer intimacy and trust. By the mid-1990s, high-speed measurement and new flash memory technologies opened the door to a new era of grid intelligence. EDMI responded with the Digital Disturbance Recorder and Power Systems Performance and Quality Monitors. These solutions enabled utilities to detect and record critical events on the network with unprecedented speed and accuracy. In the late 1990s, EDMI redefined what a meter could be. The Mk6 Genius meter wasn't just high quality and high accuracy, it was built to last, with a proven lifespan of over 20 years. But what truly set it apart was its scripting capability. For the first time, utilities could write their own code, building custom applications that ran directly on the meter. EDMI had created apps before the app revolution began.
Innovation is part of EDMI's DNA. We see this in every day from our talented people who are both curious to solve challenges and have a passion for making a difference in the world. Customer feedback is huge for us at EDMI. We've always worked really closely with our customers to understand what's happening on the ground in the real world. A lot of our best ideas, like scripting in the Mk6 Genius or the scalability of Storm, came directly from those conversations. It's how we make sure that our solutions actually solve real-world problems.
By the early 2010s, EDMI had expanded globally. In 2012, EDMI joined the Osaki Group, marking the start of a new global chapter, supported by financial strength. With this foundation in place, we accelerated innovation, evolving our software platforms into native cloud applications and pairing them with cellular technology. We enabled seamless deployment and real-time connectivity. Utilities could now roll out monitoring and control at scale. Our Storm platform became the backbone of this transformation, processing over 10 billion data points every day and growing exponentially. Today, EDMI continues to lead with innovation. Our NEOS solution integrates intelligent grid metering products and software to deliver core metering, edge intelligence, and real-time analysis. Powered by Storm, the NEOS solution ensures full backward capability while supporting the evolving needs of tomorrow's energy markets.
At EDMI, quality and consistency are just part of who we are. It starts with a culture that drives a quality mindset. We leave no stone unturned to get things right. And with resilient people, strong systems, and one global team working closely with our partners, we keep our standards high and deliver reliable, innovative solutions around the world. When I look back, what makes me proudest is how EDMI has never stopped innovating. From our first electronic product to today's smart metering and the NEOS platform. We've hit major milestones. 10 million SMETS devices in Great Britain supporting the National Energy Strategy, 5 million smart meters across Australia and New Zealand, delivering over 10 billion of data points daily, and 85% of New Zealand's energy monitored or controlled through our solutions. But above all is our people. Their dedication and teamwork keep EDMI moving forward.
What began in 1978 as a single workshop has grown into a global network, with 15 offices in 12 countries and more than 40 million smart metering devices delivered worldwide.
For us at EDMI, the future's about a more intelligent, smart grid, built via strong technology and customer partnerships. We are advancing both metering and grid intelligence through solutions like NEOS, helping modernise networks and keep the industry moving forward. Looking back over nearly 5 decades, I'm proud of how far we've come and how we've stayed true to the original vision of the founders. At our heart, we are problem solvers looking to make a difference in the world through delivering innovative technology solutions to the biggest utilities in the world. We have never strayed from this purpose, and this passion for solutions is thanks to our people, their teamwork, and their commitment. And I'm really proud to be the CEO at EDMI.